You guys ready?
Guys, stand back. You kids don't come in the street. You guys stay inside. So this is odd color. The 7-inch odd color.
All right. Let's go. Ready?
Go ahead.
Oh. Go.
Oh shit, the whole neighborhood.
There's like fucking 5 car alarms that went off from that, guys. Holy shit.